This video teaches you different ways to insert dates into your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Formatting a value as a date. Type the desired date into a cell. Press Enter. Right-click the date cell and select Format Cells. In the Number tab, select Date in the Category panel. Select your desired date format under Type. Click OK. Inserting the current date. Click the cell in which you want today's date to appear. Type an equal sign followed by the formula. Hit Enter. Using the Date function, click the cell in which you want to type the date. Type an equal sign followed by the formula. Year, month, and day should be numerical inputs. Hit Enter. Expand on the formula if required. Filling in dates using Fill Series. Type the desired date into a cell. Press Enter. Select your desired date format under Type. Select all the cells you wish to fill with dates. Click Fill on the Home tab. Click Series and select a date unit. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.